Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Madhav from Pune, Maharashtra. I am a general surgeon practicing in Pune. I would like to thank all the doctor team from Segal Hospital and SMASTI team for giving their full cooperation for us. And I would also like to thank Dr. J.S. Chavan sir for giving us all the basic knowledge about laparoscopic surgeries. I would also like to thank Segal sir, Dr. Dingra sir, Dr. Alka ma'am, and Dr. Abhayanand sir for giving us knowledge about all the surgeries and giving us hands-on training in the OT. I would also like to thank OT team and SMASTI team for giving us full support while our course. And last 14 days were very enriching for me as I got all the basic knowledge about laparoscopic surgeries. Yes, thank you.